WhatsApp notifications not working, how to fix. So if you're not being able to use your notifications or receive notifications on WhatsApp, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing you want to do is open up WhatsApp and tap on the three dots from the top right hand side of the screen, then go to the option called settings. From here you can scroll down and go to the option called notifications, where you have to make sure all of this is actually enabled. Once you have all this enabled, you want to make sure that any type of do not disturb or silent mode is not enabled on your device that is blocking the notifications for your device. Now in my case, I'm only turning on do not disturb because I'm recording this video. The next thing you want to do is allow notifications from system level. So open up settings and scroll down to notifications tab, and from here, from the list of apps, simply search for WhatsApp and make sure you have this toggle enabled that says notifications right here. And hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.